Hoa Lu Ancient Capital and Van Long Wetland Day Tour. What if I told you there's a place just 2 hours from Hanoi where you can glide through a peaceful wetland surrounded by towering limestone mountains, cycle through authentic Vietnamese villages, and walk through the birthplace of Vietnam's first kings, all in a single day? And the best part? It's far less crowded than the famous Trang An in Tam Coc. Welcome to Hoa Lu Ancient Capital and Van Long Nature Reserve, one of northern Vietnam's best-kept secrets. Your adventure begins in Hanoi, where we leave behind the busy streets and head south into the breathtaking countryside of Ninh Binh. Our first stop is Hoa Lu Ancient Capital, Vietnam's capital over 1,000 years ago. As you walk through the ancient temples of King Dinh and King Le, you'll discover fascinating stories about the country's earliest dynasties and the foundations of modern Vietnam. Surrounded by dramatic limestone mountains, this historic site feels like stepping back in time. After exploring Hoa Lu, it's time to enjoy a delicious Vietnamese lunch before heading to one of Ninh Binh most beautiful natural treasures. Then comes the highlight of the day, a peaceful rowing boat journey through Van Long Nature Reserve. Unlike the crowded tourist hotspots, Van Long offers a tranquil escape where crystal-clear waters perfectly reflect the towering karst mountains around you. As your local boat rower gently guides you through caves, wetlands, and hidden lagoons, you'll understand why this place is often called a hidden paradise of Ninh Binh. The reserve is also home to rare wildlife, including the endangered Delacour's langur. But the adventure doesn't end there. Next, hop on a bicycle and explore the peaceful countryside at your own pace. Ride past rice fields, lotus ponds, local homes, and friendly villagers. This is the authentic Vietnam that many travelers never get to experience. As the sun begins to set behind the limestone peaks, you'll head back to Hanoi with unforgettable memories, stunning photos, and a deeper connection to Vietnam's history and natural beauty. If you're looking for a day trip that combines history, nature, culture, boating, and cycling, all without the crowds, this Hoa Lu and Van Long Nature Reserve tour is the perfect choice. Book your Ninh Binh adventure with Golden Holiday Travel today and discover a side of Vietnam that most visitors never see.